This is going to be my video 1 for aspiring APS Kilobyte and APS Kilobyte that is currently watching me. In today's class, I'm going to be talking about the process of making money online. I have come to realize that a lot of people have actually learned a lot of skills. They have a lot of knowledge, but still they are not making money online. And that is why I decided to start making this video for you to explain the process of making money online for you. Because the truth about it is that when you understand what you are doing on this online space, making money online is going to be easier for you. Because I felt so bad this morning when I was actually chatting with one of my leads, and the lady said she has actually learned digital marketing, she has paid for crypto, she has paid for blogging, she has paid for Amazon KDP and lots of courses like that, and she's still not making money online. Believe me, making money online is going to be easy for you when you understand the process that you need to follow. And that is the reason why I have decided to help aspiring APS Kilobyte and APS Kilobyte that are going to be following me truly. If you don't have a pen and paper, all my students know me for this. When I'm about to deliver information to my students, I try to let them have a pen and paper so that they can jot some things down. If you do not have a pen and paper, please kindly look for one anytime you want to be watching this series so that you can be jotting some things down. Because believe me, I'm going to be breaking down everything for you. And at the end of all my videos, when you look at what you have jotted down in your book, then look at what you are learning online, you can easily bring out your mistakes and then fix everything in order for you to be making this money online. If you are one of my students watching this, please, you can drop it in the comment section of this video, your APS code, so that I can actually know that you are watching me from somewhere. So now, the process of making money online, they are in 4 places. They are divided into 4. Let's put it that way. They are divided into 4. And the first one, please, these 4 processes that I want to mention for you, I want you to put that one at your left-hand side so that you don't use it to eat anything. Because when you have these 4 processes in your head every single time or every single day, you will always know where you are going, you will know where you are, and you will know where you are even starting from if you just want to start this online space. Now, the first process of making money online is for you to have something of value that you can give out to the public. Is for you to have what? Something of value that you can actually give out to the public. Please, I'm still going to be breaking them down for you one after the other, but I want you to understand it accordingly, and that is why I'm going to be breaking them down for you for better understanding. So that's the first process. The second process for you now is that after you have acquired that something of value, then the next thing for you is to now learn the strategies of selling that something of value. You need to learn the strategies of selling that something of value. You are going to understand everything when I start breaking them down for you one after the other. So I will say the first and the second one. Now the third one that you need to understand. Remember I said there are 4 processes you need to follow. So these 4 processes that I'm mentioning, they are wide, but I have broken them down into these 4. So that when you are learning and you are growing, you will definitely know the level that you are. You will know what is left for you to learn in order for you to make this money on this online space. So like I said, the first one, the second one. The third one is that you need to learn some online tools. You need to know how to use some online tools in order for you to support your strategies. You are still going to be understanding everything as we proceed in this particular class. And then the last one is you now need to understand the marketing funnel, because believe me, everybody, every company that are making money online, they are generating leads. They are generating lead. What do we mean by lead? Everything by the special grace of God. I'm going to be breaking them down for you in this particular class that I'm currently doing for you. So now the first one, the second one, the third one, and the last one. Please always have these 4 things in your mind. Always have it at your left-hand side. Always remember this every single day. And believe me, when you follow me with my next video and my subsequent video that I'm going to be doing, you are definitely going to be seeing the reality of how people are actually making money online so that you too can begin to make money online for yourself. If you have got value from this video, please don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, and make sure you also drop a comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my video 2. Bye for now.